A few moments later.
A normal day in Kolhapur district. This is our Maharashtra public transport. This is a bus. We don't have any coach. Public bus. We ain't got any parking. We don't have any signals here. People just understand from their face expressions. Am I crossing the road or not? People just express their face expressions. The honking is on board. Look how this adventure man is making his way within the room. The temperature is like 33 degrees Celsius. We got a petrol pump here. Kolhapur देता danger. That was horrifying. Ticket from ticket conductor. For 41 rupees, which is almost 35 pence. Big windows and public transport. We are well here. This road is well. Transport doesn't have an internet service, so I requested this. Turn on. It tried, but it didn't work out.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो पेलीची नागिन निकाली मुन्ना बटोला अलगला पेलीची नागिन निकाली मुन्ना
Internet. We don't have any signals here. Look at it, big post news.
A few moments later.
Bus stand. We're gonna get up now here. The lock is not working. It worked. The seats are comfortable. I enjoyed my journey from Hatnali to Kolhapur. It was 35 minutes. There's the luggage space. These are the passenger seats. Fast. Thank you. Have a good day. Now I need to get an internet from someone. I'll ask anyone to turn on the hotspot.